Round the world, girl, I've been looking for you. I think I might just find you in Africa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today I am coming to you guys with a full face using Thrive Causemetics makeup. So Thrive Causemetics is a cruelty-free vegan brand. If you guys haven't seen my video for their blurred CC cream, I just did that. That'll be either in the cards or you guys can find, I'll actually link it below in this video so you guys can watch my review on that and what I thought about it. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick, well, we're going to just chat about it. A quick look. So Thrive Causemetics is so cute, such a cute brand. I got a bag of goodies in, my first bag of goodies actually was in this. I don't know why my camera doesn't like to like edit. So basically I have, they're super cute little like makeup bags so you can like take them on the go, which not many brands do, and I think it's so important because, you know, we girls love to just travel and throw things in bags. So I thought this was a super cute idea. So the first one came in this one, and the second set of goodies came in this bag, and I'm obsessed because it says cute stuff. Like, it says Thrive Causemetics, and it's eyelashes, mascara, and on here it says, my life isn't perfect, but my lashes are. P.S. They have the best mascara ever. I have like no lashes, but their mascara like literally gives me definition. I'll probably zoom into my face a little bit more so you guys can see it when I do the makeup. And this one also just has their name, of course, Thrive Causemetics. It's pink, white, and teal, and I love the color teal. And it says, she believed she could, so she did. And that's one of my favorite quotes ever. So yeah, I don't know if you guys want me to zoom in or not. I feel like okay, we can zoom in a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I can go in and show you guys the products that I got and the whole face. And honestly, if you want like a really natural go-to look, Thrive Causemetics is your company because their foundation or their CC cream, blur cream is super light on the face. It literally looks like your own skin and you just feel really like really beautiful in it. So yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for my good skin. So this is my skin without makeup. Super just chocolatey. I don't know. My skin without makeup. I put on like eyebrows using like a Wet n Wild brow pencil. Because like I said, this looks gonna be natural. I'm not even gonna like outline it, highlight it, nothing. Like we're just gonna do like a makeup, no makeup look, except for my eyes might be a little bit extra. But yeah, not a makeup, no makeup, but more like of a natural makeup look. So I guess I feel like if I zoom in a little bit, my hair will be out of the, I'll just move in closer. So this is this is my skin without any makeup, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on what I got. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the CC cream, and I am in the shade Deep Cocoa, which once again, I love the teal branding. It's so cute. I feel like I'm actually between Deep Cocoa and Deep Espresso. I'm gonna try like a little bit of both. Okay, and then on this side, I'm gonna dab that because when I did the review initially, I thought I was in between Cocoa and Deep Espresso, but I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna use the beauty blender they gave me, which is super cute. I've already used it, so it looks like this, but I love the T on there. T for Thrive Causemetics. Oh my gosh, yes, honey. So I'm more comfortable using Deep Espresso, so I'm gonna use that. I know you guys sent me the Deep Cocoa, but I think Deep Espresso looks a lot. Oh my god, they both look good. This is a good problem, but what? They both look good. Honestly, like, I like this cheek a lot more, so I'm gonna go with Deep Espresso. I don't know, I like them both, but let's just keep going. That is like the best problem to have, when a foundation of both shades and of deeper complexion can both look good on you. Like, I'm not complaining, Thrive.
Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. If you're liking what you see so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the squad.
If you guys want to send me Deep Espresso in the full size, I would be so happy. But like, oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm definitely not complaining. Like, wowzer. And look, and I'm just still chocolate. Let me go ahead and blend all this in, but I love this. I like did my own research also after, and there is no other company that has CC creams like that are this dark, and I think that's a shame that there aren't more companies that are thinking about us who may want, you know, blurred skin but natural looking, you know. And it has SPF, so I think that's amazing as well. Just gonna pat that in. Oh my god. Obsessing. So you guys, look at that. Like, your girl is just all types of chocolate, and I love it. And it just feels so like natural. I bet like if I wasn't standing that close to you, you would never guess that I had any foundation on, just because it looks so even. Okay, so what's next? Next, I am gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette, and I got the palette number 1. Oh boy, my nails are a struggle. And look how cute that is. Like, ooh. So I'm gonna go in and do something pretty natural. I don't know, I love gold, so anything gold, you got me. So where is a nice, my brushes are so everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna go in with the gold. Ooh, I love me a pigmented eyeshadow. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thrive, girls, ladies. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side too. I love that it's like a 4-pack, because you could literally throw this in your purse and be like, yep, I got my eyeshadow. And you don't have to worry about taking multiple huge thick palette. You can just like take this and be good. Okay, what other colors do we have? We have like a little brown color, and I'm gonna use that on the sides, I think. And maybe above it a little bit, just to give my eye some definition. I feel like so simple and just like I can go. It looks like a little red on my my viewfinder, but it's like the exact match of my skin. It's so weird. I don't know why it looks red, but it looks good. Next, I am going to just use some highlight, and this is the Cosmo Power in Dawn, and it's a strobe highlighter. So cute, has a mirror, and look at that. Look at that shimmer. And I'm gonna use that on my cheeks. Take my highlight brush, dip it in there. Ooh. Ooh. And I love it. I'm gonna like I'm gonna swatch this for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on my skin. Like, look at that. And it's like shimmery, but it's not extra. Like, I could also like use this on my, ooh, I can use it in my tear ducts. So much for being simple, right? Just a little bit though, not crazy. Yes, and it adds a pop. So you know, you guys could definitely use this as a highlighter, but you can also use it in your like, in your tear ducts. Multi-purpose. Come on, it's really gonna help you thrive. So I also got a Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Aurora, and I love this. I've been using it in a lot of my makeup looks. So it comes like this. Then you can take it apart, and then like it's the most beautiful color ever. And you just go ahead, swap that on there. You see how much of a pop it brings from my eye look, and I didn't even do none. Okay, wrong. Let me get my light together. I need to fix my hair too. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I'm a mess in a dress. Okay, so the last thing I'll be using is the mascara. Like I told you guys earlier, the mascara is so bomb, and it gives you like little like lashes. Like it builds up your lashes, if that makes any sense. Like it kind of creates lashes for you. I really don't know how to explain it, but it does. Like, I'm gonna do one eye, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like compared to the one without any mascara. Oh my gosh, like I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the eye with mascara, and this is the eye without. Like, it makes such a difference. This mascara is so worth it. I haven't found a mascara I've liked in a long time, and I'm like obsessed with this. So this is one of my favorite products from them. Oh my god, it literally gives me lashes. You know how it's like Red Bull gives you wings? Thrive gives me lashes, and that's way better. Oh my gosh. And that's it, you guys. I am glowing, I am shimmering. And for my lips, I just used my Fenty Beauty lip, what is it, gloss bomb. But yeah, this is the finished look. I feel so beautiful. I am happy, and I'm gonna go about my day. Bye. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like any of these products, I can link them down below. And check out the website, check out Thrive Causemetics and see what you like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.